Hello mga beshi ko, get ready with me. So today, I brought the sunscreen na sikat dito sa TikTok guys. So ito yung Adorn Premium Sunscreen ni Maring Camille Trinidad. I am not an influencer or sikat dito sa TikTok guys, but bigyan natin siya ng honest review. So first yung packaging niya guys. So napakaganda and very handy siya. Yung kulay niya is ombre ng purple and pink. So may dalawang variation ng packaging nito guys. Meron naka-pump and meron yung naka-tube. So yung na-order ko is yung naka-pump na sunscreen. So let's begin. As you can see, wala tayong filter for today, no? Para makita natin yung effect. So gagamit ako ng 2-finger method dito sa sunscreen na to. So this kind of sunscreen is premium sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++, UVA, UVB broad spectrum. So yung mga claims dito ni Adorn sunscreen is meron siyang anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, lightweight, no white cast, very rich in hydrating effect. So isang side lang muna yung lalagyan natin ng premium sunscreen guys para makita natin yung difference at tignan natin kung magwa-white cast pa talaga si Adorn sunscreen sa akin. And take note, morena yung skin ko dito guys, kaya kapag may white cast, magmumukha talaga akong white lady. So as you can see, hindi natin siya kinakat para makita nyo talaga kung ano yung effect ng Adorn sunscreen sa akin guys. See the difference? Ito yung may sunscreen, ito yung walang sunscreen. So meron pa ako natira, so nilagay ko na lahat all over my face. And don't forget na maglagay din sa neck para pantay yung kulay nyo guys. In my own observation guys about this sunscreen, so hindi talaga siya nagwa-white ka sa akin kahit morena yung skin ko at totoong nakaka-hydrate siya ng skin guys. So kung naghahanap ka ng magandang sunscreen guys, I would recommend this Adorn sunscreen ni Maring Camille. Baka naman Maring Camille, i-stitch mo na to.